I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the jeans.
What's up, gang? Your Rocket family. I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a mid-morning routine. Get ready with me. Day in my life type video. So yeah, it's not gonna be like the makeup guru type morning routine. You know what I'm saying? Because that's left in 2016. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. There'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag #CareGang to get started in my next video. Today's video shout out. This is these people right here. So yeah, if you got some video shout out, comment hashtag #CareGang and you get shout out. Let's get into the video that way. Alright you guys, so basically I'm going to be planning my upcoming month. So yeah, I really like to plan because it keeps me on track with everything going on in my life, especially on YouTube. So I'm going to be using these Parkoo pens. They're an Amazon company. They are gel pens which are erasable and colorful, which is a plus for me because I make mistakes and I really like my planner to be colorful because it allows what I wrote down to be placed in my mind. So yeah, and plus they're erasable, so if I make a mistake I could erase that ish and it'll be good as new. So yeah, all of that will be in the description box down below if you guys want to go check it out. Also 2019 I really want to focus on planning and managing my YouTube, so this is a plus for me because it allows me to stay on track and have a cute notebook. So I'm basically killing two birds with one stone right here.
Let go. Yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a Batman thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
Okay, so I already showered, brushed my teeth, did my skincare routine. I already have a video where I did my skincare routine. I'll leave it in the iCard. So you guys can go check it out, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I skipped that whole process. So basically I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup. We're going to get dressed and it's raining outside, so don't mind the thundering. It's Friday and there's no school today, so thank the Lord. You feel me? Today I might get my passport done, but who even knows, because like, I have to redo my passport picture because we all know what happened the last time. You know what I'm saying? That photo was disgusting. So I'm gonna have to redo it, and then that's the plan for today. And I also have to run some errands with my dad. But who even knows if we're gonna do that because it's raining outside. Like, we might have to do that later. So I'm gonna take my precious time. So yeah. Okay, so let's get into this hair. Like, it's a mess. Like, look. So this is how my hair is looking like right now. This is how I sleep kind of reckless, so that's why it looks like this. But this hair is IShowHair. I've had it in for 1 month exactly, and I'm just going to fix it up because I sleep reckless.
No.
Original.
This is how the closure is looking like. Last night it kind of lifted. I just need to vamp it up and it's gonna look good. Like, this is how the hair is. Like, it still moves. Like, it still has life and body. It's been a month. No tangles, none of that. I can still run my hand through it. Like, sis, it's basically like it feels the same way as I got in it.
Body nice. See I got them here. Them I'm moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low down. Go down anyway.
But I'm just going to lay down my closure, and this time I got y'all. You cannot make fun of me because in my last video I was scraping up glossy glue and y'all was making fun of me in the comments. But guess what? You can't talk this time because I finally got my own glossy glue.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it.
Okay, so now I got my closure laid down. I'm just going to put my scarf over it so that it will lay flat. And now we're going to get into the makeup part. And we can put on my clothes, eat, and then we're on our way. So, that's just step 1 is done. So, this is IShowHair. I've had this hair in for a month now. And basically what I could just say is that the hair has stayed thick all the way through the end for the whole month. You know what I'm saying? Because I've had experience with straight hair where the hair will get thinned out, if that makes sense. And the hair has not been stiff. There's been flowiness since my hair been moving in the wind, all that, you know what I'm saying? Which got a little bit annoying because like the hair was getting my lip gloss, but honestly, at least my hair was moving, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll leave this hair in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Buy yourself some bundles. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you so much to IShowHair. Okay, so now we're gonna do my makeup. I'm just going to be doing something real simple. I'm gonna be using my primer. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. So I like this primer a lot. I also like the Kiss Pro Touch Mattifying Primer. Okay, I'm gonna use this on my nose and my T-zone. I'm gonna use this on my chin and forehead. I use 2 different primers just because, you know, I'm high maintenance, okay? So now I look airbrushed. Like I look airbrushed, okay? I look fantastic. I look good. Okay, so now I'm going to set loose setting powder. I really like it, except I wish I got a lighter shade because I underestimated like how dark this powder was. So that's not my fault though. But honestly, it's really good though. I like it. Like you see, it's like basically my shade. So like when I set it underneath like my under eyes and stuff, it just makes my concealer like darker. And I don't get that like bright under eye look. Look at me, I'm in a beauty girl. So yeah, I'm gonna set it for a little bit. I'm gonna get back with you guys probably like 5 minutes later. Alright, so I'm back. And I'm basically going to get my brush and brush all this off. You only need it like for probably like 5 minutes, I'll say. But this is all I do, like honestly, like especially on a school day and I look dead, I'm gonna do this, like. And I'm going to get my bronzer, which broke, by the way. I'm so sad that it broke. So this is what I use. It's just Black Radiance powder, and it broke. You see, I had dropped it when I was filming my lip gloss collection video, and I was so like, look at this. I'm gonna buy a new one. So that's my nose. I guess that's just how it's gonna look like. Now I'm just going to do that little thing where they make their nose look short. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. There we go. Okay, so while my nose is doing that, I'm just basically going to be doing my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Dip Brow Pomade thing. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. pencil just because I like both of these together. My birthday's coming up, May 10th. Taurus gang, you feel me? Taurus gang or no gang. And I've been thinking of what I want to do because I don't know what I want to do. I wanted to do something with like friends and stuff, obviously, but like what that's gonna be exactly, I don't know, you know? And like what friends I want to invite that's like that part is just, I don't know. And also I want to buy my birthday outfit, but then again I'm like, I don't want to do too much for my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just gonna look cute for my birthday, and after that, look basic. But then again, it's my birthday, it's my day. I don't have to worry about other people. If I want to do something with these people, it's going to be with that people. If I want to do something with this people, it's going to be that people. If I want to look cute on my birthday and look bummy the rest of the day, that's on me. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with my eyebrows. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with my face. This is how my beat is looking like. Natural beat, you feel me? That highlight. Poppin', period. Yes, so this is how it is. Alright, you guys, so this is how everything is. This is the hair, this is the makeup, this is everything. We looking on fleek, period. So now I'm just basically about to go put on my outfit and I'll get back with you guys. I'm also going to plan some things for YouTube, go eat my breakfast, and that's going to be the end of it, okay? I think you guys are tired of seeing me. I know. I talk a lot. But we about to be done, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is basically my outfit. I've worn this to school before, honestly. So, yeah, the shoes are just going to be some black, like, shoes, regular, simple flats, you feel me? So yeah, this is basically the outfit. I'll be back with you guys later when I come back because I have a couple things to plan and we about to head out the door like right now, okay? Sis is late, okay? Sis is really late. Pronto. Alright, you guys, so that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment #KK to get shout out in my next video. Don't forget to follow on my social media. There'll be an answer box down below. Now I'm about to answer about versus startup week and a week with the occasion. Get your path, get your way. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Bible verse. Peace, your girls out. Whoa.